I'm Dad.
And this is Abby.
Hi.
And today we're at Zoo Boo in Houston, Texas at the Houston Zoo.
Yep, so make sure to enjoy.
Working our way into the zoo. Look at this crazy line for Boo Zoo today. This is wild. We're like, I don't know how many, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people back from the entrance. It's pretty crazy.
I can jump. I'm a long jumper.
And we have a special guest with us today.
Hi.
Abigail, Ray's best friend. Oh, look at the signs. Oh, those are super cute. Meerkat. And Abigail's singing. What are you singing, Abigail? Hi. Akuma Matata. Akuma Matata. What is it?
Hakuna Matata.
Akuna
Looking
Matata.
right at the camera.
Gigantic arch. Put your hands up in the air and wave them like you just don't care or like you want pumpkins. Okay, let's go take a look at the pumpkin art. So great pumpkin theme for a zoo. They have these giant carved pumpkins everywhere. So there's a bear, elephant, and a lion. That's a lot of fun. And they have these all over the park, so we'll try to capture them as we go through. It's a gorilla. So what they've done is they've carved a bunch of the pumpkins here with animals in them. That's awesome. So this is the Natural Encounters building, and inside the Natural Encounters building they have an aquarium. They have really cute otters worth checking out, and birds. All right, here goes Ray. Oh, look at the otter. Oh, look at the little otter. Hi, little otter. Oh, it's so little and tiny and cute.
Super squirrel.
Oh, look how pretty. Oh, hi, squirrel. Oh, that's a cool squirrel. Super squirrel.
You see the otter? He's eating leaves.
He's got some lettuce. He's got a salad today.
Hi, little otter. Oh. So inside of this building is really neat because they actually have animals and fish and whatever these are. What are these? Oh, they're little moles. Oh, look at them all. Oh, look, there's a little mole down there walking backwards. He's doing the moonwalk. There's more.
Look, there's a baby. They're all babies.
Oh, they're all little. Oh, it goes the other way. Oh, I'm trying to catch him. Oh, there it goes. Oh, now he's going backwards again, doing the moonwalk. Dun, 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 dun.
Moonwalk. Done. Where's Mission Impossible?
Moonwalking. Moonwalking. Look at the size of that catfish. It is bigger than these kids. That catfish would eat these kids. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's part of our fish army now.
Piranhas. Dun 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 dun. Piranhas. They're very sparkly. It's a bird bath. A bird shower. Look how happy that bird is. This may be the smallest starfish I've ever seen. It's like a baby starfish in there. Oh, it's cute. Hope nobody eats them. So now we're heading to the wetlands area. See, in this Texas section, they have a couple of whooping cranes. Hi, bald eagle. Hi. What are they doing with the metal thing? Getting food off those. Oh, look, they carved a pumpkin with an owl. It's a capybara over here, and what's called a screamer, and some kind of swan here. But the cute part is a capybara looks like a giant guinea pig way over there. Okay, Ray and Abby, what are these? Emus. They're cute. They're like little mini ostriches. Oh, look, they're getting up. Go! No. But you can't tell me what to do. You can't tell me what to do. I'm a bird. Birds do what they want to do. It's an agouti. I've never seen an agouti, but it's super cute.
Okay, so I'm in this hole, and there's a huge
Boa.
Yeah, boa. Here's Abby.
Hi.
Check out the bug house. So I don't know if this is everybody's favorite place or least favorite place. Look at that centipede. Look at the size of that thing. Here we go. Look at this guy. Look how big he is. It's a giant leaf bug. Wow. Oh, Goliath beetle. It's Goliath. Oh, beetles. There are hundreds and hundreds of beetles. They're called white-eyed assassin bugs. Whoa. We're coming into the kids area, and as always, the kids area always has some extra flourishment. So this is really neat. They put a giant spider. Well, I guess it's neat for those people who like spiders. If you don't like spiders, this isn't so neat. It's a giant spider over the wishing well. Check that out. And they have some giant People eating plants. And another spider. So spiders seem to be the theme for this kids area. There's an escaped goat. It's a free-ranging goat. Oh, hi little goat. Free-range goat in the zoo. Kids section of the zoo, which is one of our favorite areas because they have so many unique animals in here. So we're going to see what they have, like a giant turkey. Hi, giant turkey. Oh, look, there's 2 more turkeys. They're escaped. I see them. There's the bobcat. And it's time for food. Hi. Oh, makes me miss my Bubbas. I miss my kitty cat now. Bobcats are so cool. Oh, they're sleepy little otters. Let me see if I can get another viewpoint. Oh, their cute little faces sleeping. Hi, little otters. Hey, Abby and Ray, what do you think otters dream about?
Fish.
Fish? Swimming?
Playing with a ball.
Playing with a ball. That's a good one. All right, so I'm waiting for Ray and Abigail to pop up in the tunnels over here. You can see you stick your head in there and you get up close with the meerkats, which is really cool. Oh, there's Abigail. There's Abigail on that side. And there's Ray. There's Ray and Abigail. It's little meerkats, and there's little actual meerkats in front of them, crawling around and playing around. Oh, that's fun. Where they have this area where you can go see the mongooses. I said meerkats earlier, I stand corrected. They have little aquariums in here as well, so you can see different animals, like toads and newts. Look at this. So you come into this area, and look, they have petroglyphs, and look at the night sky. Wow. And there's probably, let's see what else we got in here. So this is a neat area to bring the family into and to check out and also cool off a little bit to get you out of the sun. There's a little bit of a breeze here. And they still have animals in here, including bats and a lizard and little crawl through tubes. There's a Texas rat snake down there. And look, they have these little areas for kids to crawl through. Ooh, and it's nice and cool on this side. So this is a really neat area to take the kids into to see some extra animals and to cool off for a minute. Look at this cute fox. What kind of fox is this? What kind of fox is it? A swift fox. It doesn't look very fast to me. It's a llama. Watch out, they spit. All right, one thing to say today is that it is very busy. And they do have a carousel here. And I think it's just a couple bucks to ride. Carousel tickets are $3 for members and non-members are $4. But it's fun. Look at these little cutouts that you can take pictures in front of. They're super cute. And the giant eyes. And Ray, what do we sing?
I always feel like
somebody's watching me.
With a hiccup at the end. Oh, check out this pumpkin. It's a sea tortoise. Pumpkin's a giraffe. Oh, look at the cute giraffe. Anaconda. Anaconda. Rhino right there. I think it's a white rhino. So now we're in the Africa section of the Houston Zoo. Cool things they have here in the Africa section, and we're actually doing it backwards, is they have this cave to walk through. So you go through this cave, you can see up underneath as well, and then come through. And it's a lot of fun. It actually feels pretty good in here, so you get a little bit of a breeze as you're walking through. So we'll keep going through the cave. Go see what animals we see next. Heading into the Great Ape Gallery. So this is where we can see gorillas and we can see orangutans. Let's see if we see any orangutans up here. Looks like Ray and Abby are already looking. Any orangutans yet, girls? I don't see any today. Oh. Wait, here's one. Ah! Okay, that's the only orangutan I've seen so far.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, are they around the corner? There they are. The apes are over there. I guess maybe they're not orangutans, they're apes over here. I think they used to have an orangutans right there, but the apes are way over there.
I don't think orangutans.
Have they always been apes? Why did I think that? Oh, the orangutans are somewhere different. Oh, that's right. You're right. So it's really busy in this area, but you can see a gorilla sleeping up top. Hi, Mr. Sleeping Gorilla. There's a little baby hippo. There's a little baby hippo in this pond. It's kind of cool. We've never seen that before here at the zoo. He's a wee one. Oh, there he goes, moving. There he goes, getting some air. Down. So within the, whatever this village is called, it's called the Forest Village. They have these little huts that kids can go play in as well. and go hanging out in here and play a little faux fire. But they have a lot of stuff about African communities and a little bit more about the history of them, from being hunter-gatherers to music and dance to hunting to gathering to talking about what these are called Mongolu huts. So, which are these little huts that they have here, and the kids can play in them, and they have drums they can play with, which is a lot of fun. We went through here, we went through backwards, but this is actually the entrance to the Africa land that we went through with the gorillas and the rhinoceros and the giraffes and the little village.
Cool. Get it. Keep
There's a Fausta playing with it.
Get it.
Fausta playing with the ball.
With the ball. Hey, buddy.
Get it.
Get it. Get the ball.
Wait, there's a pumpkin there too. Oh, that's awesome. That's worth coming over here just to see the Fausta play with the giant ball. Oh, he's coming around for the pumpkin. Hoot. Hi. This is an ocelot. I think everyone wants one. Texas ocelot. Oh, wow. So this is a Texas ocelot. Oh my goodness, you are just beautiful.
You're adorable.
Look at all those pumpkins. Wow. So they have a whole bunch of fall decorations all over the place. So here's a bunch of scarecrows, and it's a snowball pumpkin.
Giant pumpkin dead ahead.
Giant pumpkin. Oh, and there's a giant pumpkin over here, and a bunch more scarecrows over on this side. So you can check out. Oh, look at all these scarecrows. This is fun and festive for Halloween and for Zubu. This is cute. Great spot to do some photo ops with the family. And how they have these little photo opportunities or Instagram opportunities for folks. They have these little shadow boxes all over the place. They have a Halloween theme, and then with the cutouts of different animals, like lions, in this case, hyenas, with little dancing skeletons, which is fun. Look at this. Whoa. This tiger is gorgeous. Reptile House. We moved into the Reptile House, and it's pretty crazy. It's a pretty popular place to be in the Reptile House. So let's kind of take a quick look around, see if we see some big, oh my goodness, this big iguana. Look, it's a carpet python. All right, one of everybody's favorites, a king cobra. Unfortunately, she's underneath the rock right there. Or, oh no, here's the head. Oh, there's the head on that side. I can see the head. Okay, we're gonna go on this side. Abby says this side's a better view. Let's come around. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Check her out. She's beautiful.
Danger New York.
Wow. I wish she would stand up and show us her frill, but that's really cool. Okay, our derpy turtle friend, you're our new favorite. And look at the, oh, hi. And there's a snake right above. This is it's a West African green mamba. Oh, and I thought moving. Was there one? Oh, it's moving. Oh, it's crawling away or slithering away. I guess it doesn't crawl. It slithers away. Whoa. Look at that. So these mambas are very dangerous and deadly as well. Really cool. Here's the one moving around. Look at him. Whoa, that's a mamba moving around, checking out its space. Cool. Oh, it's a bearded dragon. And look how big this bearded dragon is. I know this is a popular type of pet. Ray's been asking for a beardy. I better not let her see this. And here's one of the snakes we have to often look out for when we're at waterways here in the Houston area. This is a cottonmouth. Another one of the snakes we have to watch out for here in Houston is the copperhead, which has this Hershey kiss pattern on its side. And we've actually seen them a few times in our general area. So something to watch out for those here in the Houston area. I made a friend. Hi, Mr. Chuckawalla. Made a little friend here. Hi. He's like, I want to be on YouTube. Sure, I can put you on YouTube, buddy. You can be a star. You are the Chuckawalla star. Hi. Here's Ray hugging a cobra, which we saw inside, and bunny ears. Hi, cobra. We do have a gift store here at the very front, so this is where we came in at, and this is where we're about to go out to. So we're about to wrap up our day here at the Houston Zoo for the Zoo Boo. It was a lot of fun checking out all the decorations they did, and of course, most important are the animals. So let's go take a look inside the zoo store. Ooh. Most important part, air conditioning. So they have a lot of stuffed animals. Oh my goodness, they have so many stuffed animals. All right, so they have a bunch of fun toys here, including dinosaurs and Birdopoly. And oh my goodness, look at this. It's a turtle in a sack for little kids. So they have lots of fun stuff here. All kinds of fun little toys, educational things. Stuffed animals are definitely the order of the day here. And they have a lot of stuffed animals like a shark acorn. I don't know, it's supposed to be narwhal or purple maybe. So they don't have a whole bunch of shirts, but they have some. Some are cute. So they have the kind of the classic Houston Zoo. It says 1922. I like these little thermoses here. Those are nice. Oh, look at the sloth shirts. That's super cute. And here's another shirt with elephants. So this one's $37. I'm guessing the sloth shirt's going to be about the same. Yeah, $37. Kind of the more classic shirt is $27, which says Houston Zoo since 1922. And these little bottles are going to run $25 for the reusable bottles that say Houston Zoo. I do like that picture on the front. That's really cool. Coming to you from the Houston Zoo.
Okay, so I thought it was really cool being able to see everything and see all the animals. It has been a long time since I've been here.
What was your favorite animal?
Ooh, I don't know, the fossa.
The fossa playing with the ball?
Yeah.
That's cute. What did you think, Abby?
I see my favorite animal.
Oh, you see your, and what's your favorite animal?
Tiger.
A tiger.
They were by the cats.
I
We're
think
by the big cats right now.
I think the baby ocelot was one of my favorites too. It was super cute. So I think we're all cat people. I have this feeling. So and
I'm gonna turn into the old cat lady.
Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. And once you subscribe, press the bell for notifications so you know when we upload a new video. Most of all, enjoy.
thanks, Abby, for coming with us.